Okay, inequalities advanced, here we come. Let's see what we've got to do. Alrighty, well, we're going to start this by going ahead and drawing a line. Whoops, maybe we will if I get a pen. Here we go. And the first thing I have to do is combine like terms. There's no distribution, no parentheses, so let's combine like terms. Then we're going to have to move everything, all variables over to one side. So again, I'm going to use my calculator. I've got a positive 6 minus 13, which gives me a negative 7x minus 11 less than 7 minus 5x. And now we have to move that minus 5x over to the other side. So we're going to add 5x to each side. And we're going to use our calculator again. So we're going to do negative 7 plus 5. And you end up with a negative 2x minus 11 less than 7. So all we've done to this point is we combined the terms, then we moved that negative 5 over, and now we're going to continue to solve. So I'm going to add 11 to each side. That leaves me with negative 2x less than 18. Then I have to divide by a negative 2. And when I divide by a negative 2, that's when my inequality switches. And I end up with x must be greater than negative 9, because positive 18 divided by negative 2 is negative 9. So that's trying to say that 0 is greater than negative 9, so 0 is part of the solution. If I had a negative 20, I'd have to say, is negative 20 greater than negative 9? It is not. So that's how you would know this is not an equal to, so that means that if I had a negative 9 is not greater than negative 9, so that wouldn't work either. All right, let's see what's next. Okay, this one we've got choices at the bottom to choose which of these is actually a solution. So we're going to start out by solving. It looks like to me that I'm going to go ahead and move this 4 first. Minus 4 on each side. So that gives me a minus 10 less than or equal to negative 2x. And then I'm going to divide by negative 2. Okay, which gives me 5 greater than or equal to x, because my inequality had to flip because I divided by negative 2. Now at this point you have two choices. You can either go through and say 5 is greater than or equal to negative 2. That is true, so you know that's right. So let's go through everything just looking at it this way. Is 5 greater than or equal to 0? Yes. Is 5 greater than or equal to 3? Yes. Is 5 greater than or equal to 4? Yes. Is 5 greater than or equal to 6? It is not, nor is it for 7 or 10. But what I do most of the time is I actually flip these around. So instead of reading 5 greater than or equal to x, I turn it around and make it x in the 5. But when you do that, you have to flip your inequality with it. So now let's just read through with the blue. Is negative 2 less than or equal to 5? It is. Is 0 less than or equal to 5? Yes. Is 3 less than or equal to 5? Yes. Is 4 less than or equal to 5? Yes. Is 6 less than or equal to 5? It is not, nor is 7, nor is 10. So there's two different ways you can go through that, but always check, okay? 5 would be a solution here because of that equal to. So always keep an eye on that. All right, that looks like it's it.